How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. First of all, make sure that your Instagram app is up to date to its latest version. In order to check that, you can open a Play Store, and in the search bar you can search for Instagram or update Instagram. Search for Instagram, and if you find an update option where I have opened, that means your application needs to be updated. Once the update is complete, now you can open up the application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now in order to create a broadcast channel in your Instagram account, you must meet certain eligibility criteria to create a channel. First of all, you must have a professional Instagram account. Second of all, you must have a public profile and ensure that your app is updated. So if you have a professional and public profile, from your home page, go to your chat page by tapping on the chat icon from the top right corner. Once you're on your chat page, now navigate to top right corner and tap on the small pen icon. So if you have a professional account, under the same page at the top section, there you will have an option to create a broadcast channel. So simply tap on create a broadcast channel. After that, you will be taken to next prompt where you can enter your channel name, you can edit your audience, and at last you can either toggle on or off if you like to show your channel name in your profile. So according to your preferences, you can either toggle on or off. Once done, tap on done, and with that you have created a broadcast channel in your account where you can share text, images, videos, and polls with your followers. And that's how you can create broadcast channel in Instagram. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.